ILTS International Language Testing System, which is powered by IDP, to assess the level of candidate. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110771. My name is Manvi Singh, and what is your name?
Tabjot Kaur.
Where do you come from?
From Machhwada.
Okay, are you a student or working somewhere?
Yes, I am recently a student and I am doing IELTS.
Okay, what is your future goal?
Well, my future goal is to study abroad and get a degree there.
Okay, why do you want to go abroad?
Well, I want to go abroad for my further studies as I want to make my future bright.
What type of jobs people like to prefer in your country?
Well, people in my country mostly like to prefer jobs like to become a teacher. The most common is to become teacher, and other preferences include such as doctors, lawyers, etc.
Okay. Why do people prefer white collar jobs?
White collar jobs.
Sitting jobs?
Well, some people do not like traveling, so they like to prefer the sitting job because they are more comfortable in that.
Okay. Let's talk about weekends.
Okay.
Okay. How do you usually enjoy your weekends?
Well, on weekends I am free, so I usually enjoy my weekends by spending time with my family, such as we like to play games.
Okay. Do you think that men and women do same kind of activities on weekends?
Men and women?
Yes.
I think yes, men and women mostly do same kinds of activities as I spend my weekends with my family. Moreover, I play various types of games with my siblings and my mother, father.
When do you spend your time with your family on weekends?
So,
When do you spend your time with your family on weekends? When?
when I'm free on weekends, so I usually like to spend time from morning to afternoon, and such as we like to play curricular activities. Moreover, also we like to go for watching movies to spend time.
What have you done in your last weekend?
Well, I remember on my last weekend, I went to see a movie, namely Kismet 2, and we really enjoyed that movie.
Okay. Do you want to add something new in your weekend?
Yes, of course. I'm also interested in arts, so I like to do the activities related to art and craft.
Okay. Do you like to work on weekends?
No, I don't. Seriously, do not like to do work on weekends because I have hectic schedule from on weekdays from Monday to Friday. So I usually prefer to remain free on weekends.
Okay. Do you think that employers should have to work on weekends?
Sorry.
Do you think employers should have to work on weekends?
I think no, they should provide a holiday, or they should get a holiday on the weekends because employers are also busy on the weekdays.
Okay. Do you think that your weekends are different nowadays compared to the past?
Yes, of course. In the past, I like to spend the weekends in home, but now I usually like to prefer outside to spend my weekend.
Okay. This is a blue card.
So can I make notes?
Yes.
Well, I admire various persons in my life, and here I would like to describe one of them whom I admire the most and want to meet. Actually, that person is a famous singer. His name is Gunamullah, and his age is about 30 years. He is very tall and handsome. Moreover, he is also good looking. I basically knew this person first time when I was in 10th standard. Actually, he is a very famous and well-known singer. I came to know about him through television by listening his songs, and by listening his songs, I became his die-hard fan. This person became famous because of his hard work. I remember once I checked him about on Wikipedia, and I get to know that he really did hard work to become a very well-known singer. And moreover, he was also not from a wealthy family, but he made his career in this field and became a very good and well-known singer. Basically, I like this person because not of his good-looking qualities or behavior, but he also helps the poor people in their who are not financially strong. Moreover, he also respect the elder people, and moreover, he also made a YouTube channel where he like to where he put information up where he put up-to-date information regarding his songs. So this is the person whom I admire, and I want to meet him in future.
Okay, do you like celebrities?
Of course, I like celebrities as I am die-hard fan of Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh, he is a very well-known celebrity. Moreover, I have watched every movie of him.
Do you think that we should respect the famous person's privacy? Do you think that we should or fans should respect the famous person's privacy?
Yes, of course, they should respect their privacy, because some celebrities don't like to interact much with the audience. So the people need to take care about this.
How famous persons or celebrities inspires their fans? How famous persons or celebrities inspires their fans? Inspire the government. How they inspire their fans?
Inspire or inspire?
Influence their fans. How they influence their
Okay. Well, they influence their fans by motivating them. Moreover, they also influence them by saying that the people should follow your dreams and to choose the best career for them.
What motivates people to become very well-known person?
Well, people get motivated from various ways. Like some people get motivated by their parents to make their career, and some people like to motivate by following their celebrities or famous persons.
Do you think that celebrities in different countries are different?
I don't think so. The celebrities in different countries are different, because it can vary in their nature, but the celebrities in almost all the countries are the same.
Okay, do you like any foreign celebrity?
Foreign celebrity. Well, I do not know much about the foreign celebrities, but my friend suggested me a singer, as she is a very big fan of her. So she told me to listen to his music. So I became his fan.
Do you want to be a celebrity in your future life?
Become?
Yes.
Yes, of course. If I get a chance, I would would obviously become a celebrity in the future. As I already said that my favorite singer is Gunnar Guller, so I want to follow him and to become a very well-known singer.
Okay, you can go now.